Hey guys, I'm just putting on a sanding conversion disc on my grinder. This one's made by Diablo. I've got another one by Gator, and basically allows me to use my grinder for other things than cutting metal and grinding concrete. I can now use it to sand. These are like 50 grit sandpaper backing. You know, there's different grits that you can use. These are 50. Pretty aggressive. They're fiber backed, but it allows me to do back scribing. I can use it when I'm coping big crown molding and take a little bit of material off. It hogs a lot of material off. You actually get a lot of control with this because it's of the design, and it just gives you another option for this tool, which is great. More options the better to solve problems. Hope this helps. Take care.